Whoa, is everything okay? No, not really. I don't know what to do anymore. We're barely making ends meet. It's getting to the point that I'm thinking about going out and getting a job, but I hate the idea of leaving my kids. Man, I get it. I was in the same place a few years back. But you know what? I found a way to work from home, and I think you could do it too. Really? How'd you manage that? Wait, it's not an MLM, is it? I already tried that and it was awful. No, it's not an MLM. I started freelance copywriting. Business owners pay me to write the copy they need to promote their products and services. I get to use my love for writing to generate income while being there for my kids. That sounds really cool, but I wouldn't even know where to start. I don't have any experience writing for clients. I don't even have any work samples that I could show somebody. That's okay. You can create work samples and build your portfolio as you go. There are incredible resources and communities out there to help you get started. That sounds amazing. But how do I even start finding clients? Have you met social media? Networking and social media have been my best friends. There's tons of business owners and service providers out there online who need your help. I stay consistently visible on my social media platforms, sharing my journey, engaging with business owners and service providers. It's a great way to connect with potential clients. You know, I'm so glad we talked today. You've given me hope that I could still figure things out in a way that helps me provide for my family without sacrificing time with my kids. Listen, there's somebody you've got to follow. She taught me everything I know about freelance copywriting. She's got some really great resources, and her social media content is so value-packed. Yes, please. This info is solid gold. Where'd you learn all this stuff? Yeah, let me show you. I learned it all from Christa. She built a freelance copywriting business from the ground up, and now she teaches other Wordy Mamas like us how to write for sales, land clients, and work from anywhere without sacrificing their families or their freedom. You should totally give her a follow.